come in. Are you there?
Gordon, I see you in the HEV suit have taken excellent care of each other. As I expected. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I wish it hadn't come to this. Don't make me do this.
Don't just stand there.
Alright, let's go for it.
Tell him to stand back from the boat stage.
Nope. Hey, what did I ever do to you? No way. Haha, got another one. Hey, Doc, here it comes! What do you want on your tombstone?
Excellent. Everything seems to be in order.
Doc, then let's go! Hey, it's no good up there.
Just let me start the decoding process. Check, check, check.
I think there's a code for
I'm encountering unexpected interference.
Man, did you see that shot? Hey, Doc, watch it with that thing.
I'll be back as soon as I finish. What? This one? Flight termination system checkpoint? Backup range safety sites?
Uh-oh. Oh, man. Doc. Doc. Doc, come in. Are you there? Doc, are you there? Hey! Hey! Hey, let me out of here! Oh, shit. Ah. Uh-oh. I'm not going anywhere. What I said is, I'm never gonna make it. Help me. Somebody, please help me. I'm dying out here. Please, help me. Be quiet. Shut up. Someone's coming. This thing hears us. What about this guy?
Ah, Gordon Freeman.
So this is the guy. We thought you'd never make it.
Ah, Gordon Freeman.
Go right on through, sir.
Well, Gordon Freeman, and about time, too.
What?
You're Barney's old friend, aren't you? Dr. Freeman, I'll open the gate and let you through.
Okay. Can we do this later? So send it already.
When this is all over, I'm gonna mate.
Man.
Here come the hacks!
Okay, why not?
Go on, Dr. Freeman.
Are you crazy?
You bet. Let's go.
What the hell is this?
We'd better hurry. Keep moving, Dr. Freeman. I'll send word you're coming and see you up ahead. You made it just in time. We gotta clear out of here before we're discovered. We gotta tear down this camp and get out of here. What is that?
Well, now what?
It looks suspicious. Well, Gordon Freeman!
Didn't you already ask me that?
I can't be seen talking to you, not out here. There's the first time for everything.
You've got mail.
Hey, Doc! Shit! Freeman, I've been waiting for you. One of your scientist pals said to give you a message. You're supposed to take this old rail system up to some kind of satellite delivery rocket. I don't know where it is exactly, and the old guy was so worried about getting out of here alive, he didn't tell me. Main thing is, the military aborted the launch, so when you do find the rocket, you'll have to get up to the control room and launch it yourself. He said something about a Lambda team needing the satellite in orbit if they were ever going to clean up this mess.
Have you ever had an original thought?
You talk too much.
Major fracture detected.
You can't be serious. Have you ever seen anything like this? How interesting. Good morning. I certainly know. I predicted all of this. You have no idea what is going on, you know. All of it.
Man, did you see that shot?
Hello mortals.